Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into the Prestashop Admin Login as customer. It lets you instantly access any customer's account, so you can place orders, fix issues, and boost conversions without the back and forth. First, go to the Prestashop back office. After logging in, select the Module section. Click on the Module Manager tab and search for the Prestashop Admin Login as Customer module. Once it appears, click the Configure button to open the Customer Logs page. Here, the admin can view a list of all customer accounts they have logged into. This helps the admin keep track of which customers they have assisted and when. Please note that the logs cannot be deleted from this page. Next, let's move to the Manage Customers page. Click on the Customers section and select the Customers tab. On the Manage Customers page, you'll notice a new column titled Login as Customer. In this column, a login button is provided next to each customer, allowing the admin to log into their account directly. Please note that the Login as Customer option is only available for registered customers. It will not be visible for unregistered users, such as visitors or guest accounts. The admin can also log into a customer's account by clicking the View button under the Edit option or directly from the Edit Customer page. Let's go through the step-by-step process. Accessing a customer's account through the View option. On the Manage Customers page, click the three-dot menu next to the customer you want to assist. Select View. On the View Customer page, you'll see the Login as Customer button. By clicking this button, the admin can log into the customer's account and provide direct assistance. Accessing a customer's account through the Edit option. On the Manage Customers page, click Edit next to the customer you want to assist. On the Edit Customer page, you'll also see the Login as Customer button. Clicking it allows the admin to log into the customer's account and assist them directly. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. From the Manage Customers page, select the customer you want to log in as. And on the front office, click the Login button from the Customer Listing page. The admin will then be logged in as that customer and can perform various actions on their behalf, such as creating an order, updating addresses, modifying personal details, and much more. The admin can also log in as a customer from either the Edit Customer page or the View Customer page. Here's an example of how the admin can place an order on behalf of a customer. First, select a product and add it to the cart. Next, proceed to checkout and fill in all the required details such as address, shipping, and payment. Once all the details are complete, place the order. In this way, the admin, while logged in as the customer, can successfully create an order on their behalf. When the admin logs in as a customer using the Login button, a record of that action is automatically created and displayed on the Customer Logs page. This provides full visibility into which customer accounts were accessed and when. Please note again that these logs cannot be deleted from the Customer Logs page. That's all about how the Prestashop Admin Login as Customer module works and how you can configure it according to your store's needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.